Your new Feldco windows were a great choice. Let's take a look at some of the basics. Double-hung windows, one of our most popular styles, are made up of a few core parts. The upper and lower sashes of your Feldco window contain panes of glass and are held together within the window casing. Once unlocked, these sashes can be opened from the top or bottom using the lift rails. You can even open both at the same time in order to increase the airflow. Other important parts of a Feldco double-hung window are the locks, tilt latches, and staggered vent limiters. To open your Feldco double-hung window, simply unlock the two locks and pull up on the lift rail. You can do so with both the lower and upper sashes. When you're ready to close your window, simply slide the sash back into place and lock the window. Ensure that both sashes are fully closed before locking. To tilt your windows in order to clean them, first ensure your sash is open 4 to 6 inches from the bottom or top of the window. Then, simply slide the tilt latches inward and drop the window down, resting it in place. You can then clean with ease from the inside of your home. Once done, push the sash back into place, close, and lock. An exclusive feature of Feldco double-hung windows are the staggered vent limiters. Simply push the limiter into place and then open your window. It's then restrained to one of two desired heights, providing protection and safety to children and pets. Enjoy your new Feldco windows.